city rolls in a different pace. Same sky, but it don't feel the same. People talk, but they don't see you. Say your name, but they don't say it true. Try to fit in, play it apart, but something pulls at your heart. In the noise, you still hear the waves. In the crowd, you still feel that space. I can go anywhere I want, still carry where I'm from. I'm just a boy from the island. No matter where I go, it's in the way I'm walking, it's in the way I hold. Every word, every silence, every step I know. You can take me from the island, but it never lets me go. Never lets me go. It's in the food, it's in the tone, in the way I never stand alone. It's in respect I never say, just in the way I move each day. They don't see what raised me up, all the hands that gave me love, all the roots beneath my feet, still alive inside of me. Yeah, I can go anywhere I want, still carry where I'm from. I'm just a boy from the island. No matter where I go, it's in the way I'm walking, it's in the way I hold. Every word, every silence, every step I know. You can take me from the island, but it never lets me go. But it never lets me go. You can take a boy from the island, but you can't take the island from me. It's in every breath I'm breathing, it's in everything I be. You can change the land I stand on, you can change the road I'm on, but you never change the rhythm that I'm living from.